Given here is a rectangle divided into 4 parts, and the area of 4 parts are given 30, 12 units, 28 units, and we have to find the area of this part. Now, area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Now, if the length is A of this rectangle and this is B, the breadth, then area of this rectangle will be AB given 30 units square. Now, if this is B, that means this side, it is also B. Now, let this side be C. That means this is B, this side is also B, and this side is C. And area here is BC. So, BC is equal to 12, area of this rectangle. Now, if this is D, this length is D, then this is also D, and this length, it is A because this is A, so it is A. So DC here is 28. We have to find this area, that means we have to calculate AD. Now AD, we don't know. If we multiply and divide it by BC, there is no change. BC and BC gets cancelled. Now AD times BC, we can also write it as A times B, AB, then times D times C, DC upon BC, or AD is equal to AB given is 30, then times DC is 28 and BC here is 12. Now 6 times 2 is 12 and 6 times 5 is 30. We divided both numerator and denominator by 6, and 2 times 14 is 28. So AD is equal to 70 square units. So this is the answer. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.